slide, small things. Hey, you know her hair done. You know small things. A big watch. She don't got time for no little rings. Gucci slides with the ball man. She want Gucci slides with them ball man. Oh, you know her hair did. You know small things. A big watch. So hold on, got time for no little rings. Gucci slides with them ball man. Yeah, Gucci slides with them. Yeah, Gucci slides with them.
What's up, everybody? Okay, so today I'm gonna get straight into the video. I decided to do some quick box braids on myself, so I decided, hey, why not do a quick DIY tutorial for you guys? So here we are. So right here I'm just simply parting my hair. Since I'm someone who has more of the 4B 4C hair texture, I like to section off my hair as much as possible. So I just parted it and I used my little elastic hairband to just excuse me, section off the rest of the hair. Okay, and right here you just go ahead and twist it on up all the way to the end. Yeah, you get it all the way down and just do this across your whole head. Alright, now we're back and the whole head is twisted up. So altogether that's 24 twists. That's gonna make 24 box braids. Don't mind me rocking out, you guys. Don't mind my rocking and roll solo. I get bored sometimes. So now right here I'm just grabbing 2 rubber bands. Some people just use one. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Dollar Tree edge control, which is actually bomb. And for somebody who doesn't really do the the baby edges thing, stuff like that, this edge control will actually make me reconsider. But no, for real, you'll be laid and slayed. So you just get your little edge brush or toothbrush or whatever kind of brush you guys have on hand, and you just brush your hairs up. Make sure there's no flyaways or little curls that's trying to be stubborn. You get the 2 little rubber bands and you just twist it around your hair until it's secure to your liking. But please, you guys, don't give yourselves a headache trying to put it in too tight. Just want to take a second to appreciate this shine that my hair is going through right here. I just want to let y'all know my hair has not, like, throughout this whole year of 2020, it has not been in a really healthy state, and I'm just so happy that it's actually kind of showing a little bit right here. Go ahead and do my first jumbo box braid. Now for some reason I always like to put this Jamaican black castor oil grease on my hair before braiding. It feels really good on my fingers. If anybody understands what I mean, you know what I mean. But for those who don't yet, it's just because some hair really hurts my fingers. It makes it feel like it's cutting my fingers. So yeah. Put the hair together, and it's going to give you these 3 little sections right here. When you're done, it should look like that. Boom. Okay, so now you're going to go ahead and try to braid the weave into your hair now. So once you get to the ends, you just add in one little piece of hair at a time until you get to the length that you want. Now for this particular style, I wanted to be a little extra, so I wanted to go down to my knees. So I just kept adding until I got down to that length, and this actually worked out fine for me. Okay, so for right here, I just wanted to stop and let you guys know what I was doing. I was trying to do the tucking method with my hair. Now, I'm not a professional stylist. I don't do hair for a living or anything like that. It's just sometimes people come to me and, they're like, oh, do you know how to do the style? If I do, then I give them a certain price and they pay me, to do their hair. But I'm in no way, shape, or form a professional. But I do try my best. And right here, if you can see, I was just taking my own hair, placing it between the pieces of the colored weave on either side, and kind of sort of making sure or wrapping the colored hair around my hair so that you wouldn't see any of my hair, hence the word tucking. Okay, I think I did pretty good though. I had to go back a couple of times to add a little bit more product because my hair is a little more frizzy on the ends. My ends do need to be clipped at the moment, but yeah, all in all, I think it turned out pretty fine with the tucking method. I just wanted to take another second to say, if you guys like this video and if you made it this far in the video and you like the style so far, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to get all updates on channel content. Let's try to get to 100 subscribers, you guys. now that I'm down to the last one, I just wanted to say that I love how this style turned out. I think it turned out really great. You guys, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, there's so much more in store for you guys on this channel. And as always, I wish you guys peace, love, and good skin.